Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of abundance affirmations. You might be wondering, what exactly are abundance affirmations? Simply put, they are positive statements that help you cultivate a mindset geared toward prosperity and success. Many of us operate from a scarcity mindset without even realizing it. We focus on what we lack rather than what we have or can achieve. Abundance affirmations shift that perspective, opening the door to endless possibilities. So, how do affirmations work? It's all about psychology. Our thoughts influence our emotions, which in turn affect our actions and outcomes. This concept is known as the self-fulfilling prophecy. Before we can fully embrace abundance, it's crucial to identify any limiting beliefs we may have. Ask yourself, do I believe I'm worthy of success? Am I afraid of failure or even of success? Do I feel there's not enough to go around? Recognizing these thoughts is the first step. Once identified, we can challenge and replace them with empowering beliefs. Now let's talk about creating your own affirmations. Here are some guidelines. Use positive language. Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Present tense. Phrase your affirmations as if they've already happened. For example, I am successful, not I will be successful. Emotional connection. Choose words that resonate with you emotionally. By consistently repeating positive affirmations, we begin to rewire our subconscious mind. This process helps us break free from limiting beliefs and patterns that have been holding us back. Here are some examples. I am open to receiving abundance in all areas of my life. Wealth flows to me effortlessly and freely. I am worthy of the success and prosperity I desire. Pair affirmations with visualization for more effectiveness. See your life change.